So where do we begin? Where do we begin with sociological investigation? Where do we begin with the collection of data, with understanding that data, with making conclusions that people can use to have a better understanding of the world? Well, we begin right here, the basics. Number one, be curious and ask questions. Be curious and ask questions. That's number one. And Dr. Carr noted that in the video we watched just a few moments ago. Be curious and ask questions. She stated that. What are you interested in studying? Now, as much as we as sociologists want to be objective, and we're going to talk about objectivity a little bit later this morning, but right here I want to say this. Be curious and ask questions. What is it about human social behavior that interests you? What do you want to study? What do you want to know more about? For example, let's assume that your parents divorced when you were a child. You grow up and in your life course, you go to college and you become a sociologist and you decide to conduct some research. And you're curious about the world in which you live and you're asking questions. Maybe questions about how divorce impacts children and the adults involved. In other words, maybe because of your own life experiences, you have questions that you want to answer. Questions that lots of other people have as well about why people are living the way that they are living. Maybe you're interested in politics. Maybe you're interested in crime and deviant behavior. Maybe you're interested in crime and deviant behavior because you've been a victim of crime. Or maybe at some point in your life, you were engaged in crime and or deviant behavior. Think about the gentleman we listened to the story, NPR story early in the semester, who decided over a beer, let's go rob a bank. What? How do you get to that point? Right? So be curious and ask questions. Second thing, use your sociological imagination, sociological perspective. Put on your sociological lens, everybody. Put on your sociological glasses. Go deeper. See the strange and the familiar. See the general and the particular. That's the use of that sociological perspective, going deeper in our analysis. Asking more questions. Digging to find the answers to the why human beings do what they do.